Hello everyone, welcome to RB Study Corner. So all you know, I have already completed 6 more videos in previous. So this is the last part of this series which is about my current affairs. So let's start the video. So today we start with the question of 61. Here look at this question. The question asked Jardalu mango, Katani rice and Magai Pan are the GI certified products from which of the following state? Here in the previous current affairs, if you watched, here look at this, so many characters or so many things which is got government GI tagged, GI tagged or GI certified. It's most important for your UPSC or as well as other competitive exams. And the options are here: Bihar, Jharkhand, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. First of all, it's a very straightforward question, and if you are watching current affairs regularly, then you know what is the correct answer is here. So here the correct answer is option A, that means Bihar. Mekedatu multi-purpose project is proposed to be constructed across which of the following river? First one is Kaveri, second one is Yamuna, third one is Krishna and the last one is Godavari. So first of all, we need to know why this is in news, why the Mekedatu multi-purpose project is in news. Just because recently Karnataka government is likely to pressurize the center for approval of the construction of the Mekedatu project on the Kaveri river. So you know the correct answer is here option A, that means Kaveri river. Mekedatu meaning goat's leap. Is a deep gorge situated at the confluence of the rivers Kaveri and its tributary Arkavati. Consider the following statements regarding launch of services e-health assistance and teleconsultation OPD portal. Here the both statements are, the first statement is the portal provides telemedicine services to the serving armed forces personnel, veterans and their families, and the second statement says it was launched by Ministry of Health. Then which one is the correct answer here? Option 1, option 2, only both 1 and 2 and neither 1 nor 2. Here the correct answer is option A, that means only 1 is the correct answer. It's not launched by the Ministry of Health. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh has launched the service e-health assistance and teleconsultation OPD portal through video conferencing. The main motive of the portal is to provide telemedicine services to the who are serving armed forces personnel, veterans and their families. Then what is the about of portal? Here the portal, the OPD portal is the final version with advanced safety features. The trial version was launched in August 2020 and more than 6,500 medicine consultations have already been carried on the beta version. Consider the following statements regarding OTT platforms. The first statement is an over-the-top media service is a media service offered directly to the viewers via the internet, and the second statement is the services provided are free of charge. Here which one is the correct answer here? Only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2 and neither 1 nor 2. Here the correct answer is also A, that means option 1 is the correct answer. Which of the following is the largest producer of jackfruit in the world? Here the options are Kerala, Dhaka, New York and Beijing. Then which one is the correct answer here? The correct answer is Kerala. Which of the following is exempted from GST? Here the first option is fresh fruits and vegetables, coffee beans not roasted, betel leaves and charcoal. Select the correct code. Option A is 1, 2 and 3 only. Option B is 2 and 4 only. Option C is 1 and 2 only. And option D is 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. That means all of the above. Then which one is the correct answer here? Yes, here the correct answer is option D. That means all the statements are correct. Consider the following statements regarding midday meal scheme. The first statement is the scheme covered children of classes 1st to 12th studying in government aid schools, special training centers and madrasa maktab supported under Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA. And the second statement is it is not covered under by the National Food Security Act 2013. Which one is the correct answer here? Only one, only two, both 1 and 2 and neither 1 nor 2. Correct answer is option D. Both the statements are incorrect. Consider the following benefits of the currency swap agreements. Here the first statement is these swap operations carry no exchange rate or other market risks as transactions terms are set in advance. Second statement is it reduces the risk of volatility against the third currency. And the third statement is it does away with the charges involved in multiple currency exchanges. And the fourth statement is it would discourage speculative attacks on the domestic currency. Then which one is the correct answer here? Option A is 1, 2 and 3 only. Option B is 2 and 4 only. And option C is 1 and 2 only. And option D is 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. Correct statement is option D. That means all the statements are correct. Let's see the second last question of the day. What does the statue of reclining Buddha seen recently in news represents? Option A is it represents discussion and transmission of the teaching of Buddha. The second statement is it represents the moment of Buddha's awakening. Third statement, it represents Buddha during his last illness about to enter parinirvana. And the last statement is it represents supreme enlightenment by connecting oneself with divine universal energy. Then if you know about Buddha or Buddhism, then you must know about the answer of this question. Here the correct answer is option C. That means it represents Buddha during his last illness about to enter parinirvana. See the last question of the day. And after that we complete the series. Consider the following statements regarding floating jetties. Their price is approximately 1/5 of the price of a fixed jetty. And the second statement is they are quicker to build and install, easier to use than a fixed jetty. Then which one is the correct answer here? Only one, only two, both 1 and 2 and neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option C. That means both the statements are correct. So with this question we complete all the series of my current affairs. Hope this is helpful for your UPSC preparation.